So starting with our chocolate plate, I have our melted dark chocolate here. We're going to add a good amount onto the plate. Swirl it around, making sure it goes to all the edges. So you have to work a little quickly when you do this because the plate is frozen. So I'm just let the excess drip into the water. And then we're going to take our plate, we're going to drop it into the ice bath. So we can feel that our chocolate is completely set. I'm going to be able to remove it from the plate and be very, very careful. This is super fragile. Remove it slowly from the water. So now we're going to mix it. So now that everything is incorporated, we're going to take it and put on our plastic bamboo mat. Just put a couple handfuls on here. You need to make sure it is wrapped in plastic. So you have your flat layer of Rice Krispies. Now we're going to start filling it. I'm gonna make this kind of like a California roll. So we have our imitation crab. This will be like our cucumber, and this will be like the avocado. Then we're gonna go on to the other one. So this one we're taking Swedish fish. And we have some little guys we'll put in between. Then we'll take these little strips of sour belts. Just line them all along up. All right, so now we're gonna start rolling. So you gotta press the ingredients down just to make sure they're not gonna go anywhere. And then you're gonna take your mat while holding the ingredients. Just start rolling. Okay, so we're gonna keep rolling this up, applying some pressure. So all of our ingredients, all of our delicious candies stay inside. And then we're gonna take our serrated knife and carefully cut pieces. Okay. So we have 8 of those. So we're gonna move back to our other sushi roll. And we are going to roll it in our fish caviar. Okay, so we're moving back to our original roll. We are making little avocado slices, just doing little cuts in the top of the parchment to give it a little more texture. And then we are going to decorate our roll. So we have these little sour strips, some pink Laffy Taffies, kind of looking like shrimp, some orange sour strips, green Laffy Taffy. Let's do a little pattern. Pink. And our last Laffy Taffy. So I have some half jelly beans right here to make it look like some caviar. Then we're going to take this black licorice, I'm gonna unroll it a little bit, and grab our sushi ball, and we are going to unroll and stick it around. I don't know anybody who likes black licorice, but I think it looks nice on here. Okay, so we're gonna cover this one with our coconut flakes. Then we're going to grab the second one, do the same, press it down, twist it a little bit, place that down. Then we're going to take our half-cut jelly beans. Be very careful when you cut these in half as they might fly. Then we are going to take our Swedish fish, put them on top. So little green strips, and we need goldfish in this recipe. Who doesn't love the snack that smiles back? Get our little blue strings to go around the fish, and we are set. So we have our chocolate board and our candy sushi ready to prepare. So we're just gonna take our sushi, all different varieties that we made today, place them all on your plate. Be careful doing this. Let's take our little caviar licorice rope ones and our final 2 Laffy Taffy rainbow rolls, and enjoy.